Today I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about these end tables. These could be used in a living room. These could be used as a nightstand. Either one works. They were super easy to put together. And I'm going to tell you everything you want to know, give you a little bit of a more close-up look at them, and answer your questions. So right off the bat, these are 16 by 16 by 24. I have some stuff on it so you can kind of get a closer look. So if you want to bring it up right over here, this is kind of what a tablet looks like on it. So if you had an iPad and a phone, so if you want to kind of rest your phone on there, if you want to put the your iPad this way, just like this, there is room for a lamp, an alarm clock right over here. So you could easily see that you have a lot of different space up here that you could use. These are mainly used for indoor, so you don't want to be using these outside. It is made out of composite wood, which is something to note. And the nice part about that is it is more durable, and this top right here is water resistant. So if you put a drink on here, maybe you spilled on there, no problem, it is water resistant. This is a X pattern right over here, a little crisscross. So you can see that right over here. Nice little design feature. They do give you stickers that you can put over your screw holes if you want to, which I think is nice. These are going to be 2 shelves. I don't know if you want to count the top as a shelf, but these 2 shelves are super spacious, which is really nice. You'll see right over here. Plenty of space right over here. If I knocked on that, you could see that. They do come in different colors and styles as well, if you wanted to do that. Super easy to assemble, good directions. You could see also another use case for this would be kind of like books or something like that. One thing to note with this, it's going to depend on the size of your book. Some of them, you have to have like more of a smaller book to kind of get them in over here. Just notice that they'll go in here, but there's a little ledge here. So you're gonna have to kind of like put them in like that, and then you're just gonna take them out like that. I do like the fact that there are no draws on this because it's nice and open. You don't have to worry about anything like that. And especially if you have it behind a plug like over here, this is kind of what it looks like against a couch. Again, it is 24 inches tall right over there, so that's kind of how it would sit, just like that. This also would double easily, like I said, as a nightstand as well if you want to use it like that. You do get 2 of these. You can buy them individually as well, but I kind of wanted the set. It looks really nice. This one over here goes in that corner over there. But I wanted to kind of show you them side by side and kind of give you a little show. And you can see right here, we got devices on here as well. So if you're looking, and each of these shelves can hold 33 pounds. So a lot of stuff here. You'll see this pile of books here. I don't even know how much that would weigh, but maybe 15-ish pounds. So you get a lot of stuff on here. You wanted to put a record player on top of here, you'd be fine with that. So if you're looking for a great end table, a great nightstand that's easy to put together, has that water resistant, is 16 by 16 by 24. Pretty easy to put together, pretty straightforward. You will need a screwdriver to put these together, but instructions are pretty easy. It comes packaged nicely, nothing was scratched or anything like that. So I hope you found this review helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I hope you find the right end tables for you.